My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called LOCKEDFILECR. LOCKEDFILECR is the name of this ransomware. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not promoting this ransomware, I'm not related to it. I'm showing you the damage that can be caused by this ransomware. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. So you have just seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without troubles. However, regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected and it may damage the files considerably. So pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. All this data gets damaged and eventually encrypted by this particular ransomware. Of course, many people store a lot of valuable data on their hard drives, but this ransomware called LOCKEDFILECR doesn't really care about people. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file restoration, but of course you should not pay the ransom. Don't ever waste your money. If you pay the ransom, there is no guarantee that your data would be restored. Also, because of this ransomware, your computer may be freezing, there may be high CPU usage, and eventually there will be a mess out of your files. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware encrypts the files and it drops this ransom note mentioning that your files are encrypted and that they have this LOCKEDFILECR extension. As I said, the ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom, but you should not pay the ransom because this does not guarantee the file recovery. So don't waste your money. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers may be also damaged by this particular ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching and investigating your system with its help. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner Antivirus gets successfully updated, you will notice that the program has begun scanning your computer. And please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. You'll be able to add one or several folders on the system that would always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature is a part of the premium license only. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. Combo Cleaner Antivirus only removes this ransomware, and its premium license will help you to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. But once again, keep in mind that Combo Cleaner does not restore your data. I don't want to give you any fake or deceptive promises, but indeed Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of protecting your data and in terms of removing this particular ransomware from your computer. Of course, it also removes other threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimizers, and other malware. So consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected.